channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on Sunday, August 8 to Saturday, August 14, 2021. And we have so many items and deals today, so stay tuned in this channel. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is cosmetic deal. Buy 3 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and this is unadvertised deal. Also, you can buy 3 CoverGirl cosmetic and get back $8 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and spend $12 on Flower Beauty cosmetic and get back $8 ECB. And it's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. So in this transaction, I buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipe 21 CT. It's $7.29 each. It's $14.58. And also I buy 1 Neutrogena makeup remover wipe 21 each city. It's $7.79 because my store only the 2 has a $7.29. So I purchase 2 $7.29 and purchase 1 $7.79. Also I buy 4 CoverGirl eyeliner. It's $6.49 each. So the total is $25.96. Also, I buy 2 Flower Beauty eyeliner. It's $12.43. It's $8.29 each. And it's buy one get one 50% off. So the totals come out $60.76. I use 1/4 of CoverGirl cosmetic mystery coupon. It's printed last week. Also, I have 1/5 of 30 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 20 Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, I use $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic Pili coupon. That coupon I just found in the Walmart. So if you don't have that Pili coupon, just use the $1 of Neutrogena wipe printable coupon. That coupon also not available in coupon.com no longer, and it's expired on 7/31. I use $5 of 2 CoverGirl cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com and use $5 of 2 CoverGirl cosmetic digital coupon. That coupon is glitching with the 2 printable coupon. So the total coupon is $36. I just paid $24.76 and get back $8 ECB for the Flower Beauty and get back $8 ECB for the CoverGirl and $10 for the Neutrogena. Plus I earn $6 beauty reward. So the all this makeup is free plus $7.24 money maker after the beauty reward. So I can show you my receipt in this transaction. I buy 2 Flower Beauty eyeliner. It's $8.29 and the second one it's half off. It's $4.14. Also I buy 4 CoverGirl eyeliner and I buy 3 Neutrogena wipe. 2 it's $7.29 and 1 it's $7.79. So in this transaction I use 2 $5 of CoverGirl, use $3 of Neutrogena Pili coupon I just found in the Walmart and it's expired on August 1st, I guess. Yeah, but my store is take expired coupon. Also I use $1 of Neutrogena wipe printable coupon. The $5 of the CoverGirl it's glitch with the printable. Also I use 5 of 30, 5 of 20 Neutrogena, $4 of mystery coupon, and I use my extra bucks, so I pay only just taxes. So my final cost is free plus $7.24 money maker. My next deal is Clairol hair color deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Clairol natural instant hair color. It's 2 for $15 is $15 and 1 I buy the $7.50. It's half off. So my totals come out $22.50. I use $6 of 2 Clairol hair color printable coupon on coupon.com. Also the another one the digital coupon it's glitching with the $6 of 2 and the another one $5 of 2 Clairol hair color digital coupon. That coupon also glitch. Also I have free hair color CVS CRT. It took only just $5.50 because they adjust the maths. So my total coupon is $22.50. I just pay nothing out of pocket and get back $2 ECB. So my final cost all these 3 products is free plus $2 money maker. So My next deal is Micro Gold Multi-Action Spray Deal. Buy one and get back $9 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $9.99 each. I buy one Micro Gold Multi-Action Spray. It's $9.99. I use one $2 of Micro Gold printable coupon on microgold.com. You need to email them to get that coupon. I just pay $7.99 and get back $9 ECB. So my final cost is free plus $1.01 money maker. My next deal is CeraVe Foaming Cleanser deal. I buy one CeraVe Foam Cleanser 3 OZ. It's $5.49. Also I have one $5 of CeraVe Cleanser CVS CRT. It took only just $4.26. I don't know why. I can show you on my receipt. I just pay $1.23, so my final cost is only just $1.23 each. So I can show you my all this transaction receipt. Here is my receipt. I buy three Claro Natural Instant Hair Color. It's 2 for $15 and another one ring up. It's $7.50. So in this transaction also I buy monofoil spray. It's $9.99 and one I buy the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser is $5.49. So in this transaction I use $6 of two manufacturer printable coupon, $2 of the monofoil coupon. That two coupon it's glitching with the $6 off. Also I have free hair color CVS CRT. It took only just $5.50 because they adjust the mats. So in this transaction I don't know why they took only just $4.26. That's why my total is $1.23 for the CeraVe. So I pay with my extra buck $9.22. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket. So all this product, all it's free plus $3.02 money maker on this transaction. My next deal is Garnier Facial Care deal. Buy two Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB and it's on sale. Buy one get one 50% off. I buy two Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $11.68. It's $7.79 each in my store. I use one $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Garnier Facial Care digital coupon and use one $2 of Garnier Facial Care printable coupon. So my total coupon is $6. I just pay $5.68 and get back $5 ECB. So my final cost is only just 68 cents or 34 cents each. My next deal is any Ensure or Glucerna product deal. Buy two and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So I buy two Glucerna Mini Treat Snacks Bar. It's $12.58. It's $6.29 each. I use one $3 of Glucerna digital coupon and use one $3 of Glucerna printable coupon on glucerna.com. But that coupon you can get only just the new sign up. So my total coupon is $6. I just pay $6.29 and get back $5 ECB. So my final cost is only just $1.29 or 64 cents each. I buy this product because I never get the CRT of the Glucerna, so I need to purchase. So they just start getting me the CRT. So this time I just decided to purchase this product. So I just started to get the CRT for the Glucerna. My next deal is Listerine Ready Tab deal. I buy one Listerine Ready Tab 8 CT. It's $3.19 each. I have $2 of Listerine Ready Tab CVS CRT. Also I use $1 of Listerine printable coupon on coupon.com. So I just pay only 19 cents for this product. So in this transaction I can show you my receipt. I buy two Garnier Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $7.79 and another one is half of $3.84. Also I buy two Glucerna Mini. It's $6.29 and one Listerine Ready Tab 8 CT. It's $3.19 each. I use $1 of printable for the Listerine. Use one $3 of Eucerin and Glucerna. I use the two for the Garnier Micellar Water CVS printable coupon, and also I use the digital for the Glucerna. $2 of the Listerine Ready Tab CVS CRT. $2 of Garnier CVS CRT. Also, I use my extra bucks, $7 and $5. So I just pay only 42 cents plus taxes. My next deal is household deal. Spend $40 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. I buy one Tide liquid 92 FL OZ, it's $11.94. Also, I buy one Tide Pod 16 CT, it's $4.94. Also, I buy one Downy Unstoppable In-Wash Booster, it's $11.94. Also, I buy one Downy Unstoppable In-Wash Booster, it's $4.94. Also, in this transaction, I buy two Irish Spring body wash, it's $9.98. So my totals come out $43.74. I use 1/3 of 15 Tide Downy CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of 2 Irish Spring CVS CRT. Use $3 of Downy digital coupon. Use $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon. Use $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use $2 of Downy digital coupon. And use $1 of Irish Spring digital, and one I use the printable coupon on coupon.com. So my total coupon is $18. I just paid $25.74 and get back $10 ECB. So my final cost, all this product is only just $15.74 or $2.62 each. My next deal is select General Milk or Kellogg's cereal deal. I buy one Kellogg's Fruit Loops, it's $1.99. Also, I buy one Kellogg's Applejack cereal, it's $1.99. Also, I buy one Cinnamon Toast Crunch, it's $1.99. Also, I buy one Cocoa Puff General Milk cereal, it's $1.99. So my totals come out $7.96. I use $2 of 8 any breakfast CVS CRT. Use $1 of 2 Kellogg's cereal digital coupon, and use $1 of 2 General Milk digital coupon, and another one is glitching, $1 of 2 General Milk digital coupon. That coupon is glitch. So my total coupon is $5. I just paid $2.96. So my final cost is only just $2.96 or 74 cents each. So I can show you my receipt on this transaction. I hope you can see that. I buy one Downy Unstoppable, it's 14.8 OZ is $11.94. One Tide liquid 92 FL OZ is $11.94. Also, I buy one General Milk Cinnamon Toast Cocoa Puff Kellogg's cereal, one Kellogg's cereal, 2 Irish Spring body wash, and one Downy Unstoppable, it's 5.7 OZ. It's $4.94, and Tide Pod is $4.94. So in this transaction, I use all this digital coupon. Also, I use 3 of 15 P&G Laundry CVS CRT, $3 of 2 Irish Spring body wash CVS CRT, and $2 of 8 breakfast CVS CRT. I use my extra buck 10, 8, and $2. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket. I just pay only taxes, $2.63. My last and final deal is any Hallmark item deal. I buy 5 Hallmark gift wrap paper, it's $9.95. It's $1.99 each. I have one buy one get one free greeting card CVS message coupon. Also, I have 2 $4 of 5 Hallmark card CVS CRT. So my total coupon is $9.95. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket. So my final cost is free. So in this transaction, I can show you my receipt for this one. I buy 5 Hallmark gift wrap, it's $1.99. I use one BOGO free greeting card CVS message coupon, it's took $1.99, and 2 I use 4 of 5. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket, so I pay only just taxes, 48 cents. So my final cost is free. So friend, this is my this week's CVS couponing haul. I hope this day it's helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.